Hello, we are going to talk about wind power. Our project is a windmill that produces a voltage that turns on LED. Some advantages are that this energy is clean, doesn't produce contaminants, doesn't need gasoline, can be located in dry hills, mountains, and don't need fossil fuels. Some disadvantages are the cost, the space, the time that we invert making a construction of the eolic park, and that we can control air. What does that mean? That the windmill can support more or less wind that was programmed. This can produce some wine problems or engine problems. For talking about the process, yes, my friend.
Well, the principle of how our generation works is that we have inside of the motor two poles, the North Pole and the South Pole, and these produce an electromagnetic field from the North Pole to the South Pole. When we add a connector between them and we make a movement trying to interrupt the flow of the magnetic field, this produces electricity. That's the principle of generation works. In this case, we have the movement is the propeller, and when this is rotating, it rotates the shaft in the motor, and that interrupts the normal flow of the magnetic field. This is that may produce the electricity enough to turn on the LED. This is how it works and we build.
Now we are going to present the wind power experiment, in which we use first the propeller, the motor, and that in this case we use the motor of a printer machine, some cable, LED, and this PVC structure. For the experiment to work, first we have to arm the PVC structure and assemble the motor inside the PVC structure. After that, we have to put the propeller, and these are the principal components because here is where all the process of producing energy or transforming energy from movement is happening here. And finally, we have to connect the motor with the LED with the help of the cable. It's very important that you have to change the polarity, so because you want that the motor works in an inverse mode. Now we're going to make that it's like